If you want to be a web developer, this is for you. My name is Muhammad Hasnan Abbas and this is my course Web Development with Python and Django. I am a web developer, a data engineer and a mentor. अगर आप अंडर ग्रेड हैं और जॉब की तलाश में हैं, so this might be a good opportunity for you. This course we will be learning full stack web development with Python and Django. The reason we pick Python and Django is pretty straightforward. Python is one of the most widely used language on this planet and the most loved one. And Django is the framework of Python which we will be using to build the website. Let's see which companies are using Django. As you can see, YouTube, Pinterest, and even NASA's official website is built with Django. Now, if you are someone who has wasted your time in this pandemic scrolling through social media and binge watching Netflix, and now you are worried about the job market, this course is just the right path for you. We will be having live session with our students. This is not something you can't learn without us. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube, but we will give you the shortest path and the right skill set and one-on-one mentoring. So this is the best chance you can get to invest in yourself. If you have any queries, let us know. Thank you.